Hey guys, welcome to All Star Blenders. Today our main ingredients are so let's get started. Starting with cutting over half a cabbage, 2 tomatoes, 2 capsicums, and we are done. Heat a pan, adding some vegetable oil. Once it gets heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 1 chopped onion. Sorry for the little capsicum getting inside. Saute well until golden brown. Add some salt. Now add the tomatoes and saute well. Add the cabbage. As well as the capsicum. Saute well. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, one teaspoon garam masala. Adding now 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. We add half a cup of water. Mix well until all the flavors get to know each other. Now add your boiled yellow golden corn. For better consistency, add some cornstarch with some water. That smells good. Now for the wrappers, we cut the dough into small parts. We roll it just like a roti. Cover it with some oil. And some flour. And keep another roti on it, just like a sandwich. And roll it. Heat it on a pan for a few seconds. Jiggle with it. Now for the filling, adding the stuff on 1/4 of the roti. We fill it well. Wet the edges with some cornstarch and water so that it sticks well. Cover the stuff with some mozzarella cheese. And roll it until you get this. Now fry the roll in vegetable oil in medium heat for 2 minutes completely. And our vegetable spring rolls are ready.